everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you all Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 3, text number 22, that is न मे पार्थस्ति कर्तव्यं त्रिषु लोकेषु किंचन नानवाप्तम् अवाप्तव्यं वर्त एव च कर्मणि, which means, O son of Pritha, I do not have any prescribed work to do in the three planetary systems, nor am I in want of anything, nor have I any need to obtain something. Yet I am still engaged in the prescribed duties. Purport. Now the Supreme Personality of Godhead describes the Vedic literature as follows. The Supreme Personality of Godhead has given each and every living entity a particular power. But that does not mean that even that living entity becomes a supreme. That is the total impossible thing, and that cannot happen. As every living entity is below the Supreme Personality of Godhead. If anyone is that powerful, then that person should be equal to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, but not above him, and becoming more powerful than the Supreme Personality of Godhead is totally impossible and cannot happen. The Supreme Personality of Godhead has no body at all. To make it simple, there is no difference between the body and the soul for the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and his senses are also very transcendental. Now here, by this text, the main thing that we should understand is that here the Supreme Personality of Godhead is telling that he does not have any prescribed duty. But how? The Supreme Personality of Godhead has everything. That means that he has no need to achieve anything. That means that no result is required, and that also means that he does not have any duty to do to get a result and to achieve something and to build something inside him. So every living entity has to achieve something, so that living entity must follow the prescribed duty. But here the main thing is that even though there are no prescribed duties for the Supreme Personality of Godhead, still he is working as the main or the leader